So you cannot add the datetime format directly to your file names if at all there is a situation arise. So what you have to do? You can do the typecast, or we do have some other function to convert this into a desirable needs or a desirable data format, basically string only. Okay, right. Now when I run, what is this? This is the actual format. This is default format, right? You need to understand how the time format arises. Let me paste that and let me comment that. So now the basic time format is this. First year, so capital Y followed by percentage small m hyphen percentage D, date space percentage capital H colon percentage capital N colon percentage capital S. This is how the format actually looks like. So line number 9 is nothing but the reflection of this format. Percentage Y, percentage M, capital M, H is all the a kind of wildcard character as a part of your data manipulation. So whatever you want, you can do the change of it. Now what I'm going to do is that, imagine I don't want the year in a 4-digit way. I want only 2-digit like 22. What I can do? I can simply change into a small y. Then month, I don't want that to be in a numbers. Instead I want that to be in English. Say March. So let me put B. And I don't want the spaces. Put underscore here also. Underscore. Here also underscore. So I don't want any colon, because sometimes when I want to add this data format, I cannot have the colon. So now I'm converting the entire format which I got at line number 9 into this position. So now what I have to do? I have to convert my current time into this format. Okay, look at that now. Modified time is equal to datetime dot strf time. This is another function. String format time. You're gonna format your current time into this given time format. Okay, now when you print this modified time and with the type of that, you'll get what will be. Look at that, 22 and MAR. Why? Because I put a small b, so it is giving a 3-letter character. If I put capital B, it will return March in a whole. Look at that. I'm sorry, percentage B I have to put. It returns March in a whole. Now this is how you can change the time format, because time format is very essential. And when you do the time format, what is the benefit that you get? The time is directly getting changed into string format. So this is one set of manipulation